Martinez squad. So I'm just gonna hit you with a real quick one here, and we're gonna make some agua de melon. I was just warming up some tamales that my sister-in-law made, and of course, like I said, I needed something good to drink, so I'm gonna hit you with a real quick one. Agua de melon, super fast, super easy, and it's delicious. So all you're gonna need is you're gonna need some cubed up cantaloupe. You're gonna need some water, some sugar, and your blender. That's it. So we're just gonna start off with some cantaloupe. Just toss it right in your blender. And I like to put quite a bit because I really love the flavor of it. So once you have quite a bit in your blender, and you can make as much as you want at each time, just gonna take some water, pour it right in there. I usually put right at about a cup of water into it. Okay, so we got our cantaloupe and our water in the blender right now. We're not adding sugar just yet because we want to blend the cantaloupe into the water really well so that we can actually flavor the water with the melon first. Okay, so you're going to want to blend it for right at about a minute. So just the water and cantaloupe first, blend it for a minute, and then we're going to go ahead and add some sugar to it. Alright guys, so you're actually going to add sugar to your liking. As sweet as you like it, however you want. I like to add a little less than a quarter of a cup. I mean, quite a bit less than a quarter cup, but this is the measurement I use. And I just throw it in there. And we're just going to blend it about another 30 seconds. Alright guys, that's it. That's all it takes to make agua de melon. And this is totally optional. If you guys don't like the pulp inside the juice, you can actually strain it into the cup and the water itself will be the agua de melon. I personally really like the pulp, so that's why I'm going to keep it in there. But yeah. Alright guys, just serve it. And there you have it guys, agua de melon. Thanks for tuning in for the episode. See you on the next one.